Okay, shall I ping pong, ping pong?
You shall do a pling plong.
I wanted to look at it.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna put the alpha Minecraft music. This one. Oh. We have to kirjautua sisään. Alright. Don't worry about it. It's Finnish.
You're finished.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Yes.
After all of these calculations, you know what I'm saying? My brain has gone
These
kaput.
calculations, yeah. We have estimated that your lifespan is about 5 minutes.
Damn. I just have a final moment of saying.
I don't know, that's... Wait, that's like Damon's sound effect.
Alright, let's see. Let's do a hello test. I think it should work again. I always run a hello test. It's there, amazing.
Oh, you should say hello world.
Oh, that's true. That should be way more funny.
Yeah, man.
Let's see. I think, yeah, we got everything up and running. Don't do that, bro. Shall we begin from?
That's the average experience.
Yeah, I think everything is up and running.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, my PR that I made is crazy.
Oh, you have made a crazy PR? Bro, that's pretty Sigma.
Yeah.
I think major fix. Is it that bad that you have to name it major fix?
Yeah, man. It's that bad.
Alright. Add my review. This is a very good fix.
No, read.
Please don't review it or physics gets it. That's I was actually expecting something huge. Oh no, bro. No.
Yes. It's literally the entire thing.
What do you got? One file changed? Would you delete a line?
It's one line.
It's probably pretty important though, to be honest.
No,
yeah,
it's
totally
not.
important.
No.
That's a git pull.
Yeah, Lucas, git pull that.
Git approve, git pull.
Yeah,
man,
get good.
You're so cute with your eyes. I can't argue against you.
Whoa.
Go, see?
Well, I guess we need Damon here.
Yeah.
Damon. Okay, can I hire you like 24/7 to be here?
No, that's too much aliveness.
Aliveness.
I don't have time to be that much alive.
Yeah, you gotta have less time alive.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you like my PR? You can delete the branch also. It's.
Oh wait.
Okay. No, you want the yes branch there?
I love the yes branch.
Yeah. Who does?
But that means that I now have to. I'm not gonna pull that though.
Yeah, no, you don't have to.
Let's see.
It's just the idea. It's the concept of it.
I will never do a pull anymore. Any time in my life.
Bro, gonna have merge issues now.
No.
Man, it's gonna be such a big conflict to figure out.
Yeah, bro, it's gonna be.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it just git fetch origin/master? Origin does not appear. How do I get the actual because if I do fetch master, it will not
Just
get
pull origin master.
Can I just do origin? But isn't it like that?
No, or just origin space master.
Yeah, okay, that's how we do it. And then git merge.
Yeah.
Master.
You see, I'm basically a master at Git
Oh
at
wait,
this
I
point.
pulled. I thought I was pulling just to the master. Now I was about to merge it, but I merged it. Wait, did I merge this directly to the branch that I'm working on?
Yeah, that's what we like. You see, I tricked you.
Bro, don't do that. Wait, it was.
Now you have it. Mwahaha.
I will just
Yeah.
fix it real quick.
No. What's that? No, please. Yes.
No.
Ah, yeah. Now we're happy. So beautiful. So delightful.
Delightful.
I can rest in peace now.
Now we can finally die.
Yeah. Exactly.
Alright. But the goal for
Oh,
today
yeah.
was the restructuring of the new folders.
Oh, you're cooked.
No, we're gonna be fine, brother. We're gonna be fine. Should we make a like DB folder file just for the database, like?
Well, you can also just have a folder called net for networking.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes pretty much sense.
I mean, we can pretty much just
Makes
put,
pretty much sense.
Yeah, then we put both
Yeah.
spacetime and all of these modules inside of there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so source folder. Can I just say actually network?
No, I'll...
Because it's.
I guess.
I think it's still.
Yeah, it's
cleaner.
fine.
And then we just.
But I would probably just call it net if I were you, because like source, you don't call SOURSC thing above. You just, you know. So if you just call it net, then it makes a bit more sense.
It's less
But-
typing, I see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
also that.
Yeah. And what do you call? Do you just db.sig? Or.
Yeah, well, you should. Either you can call it net.sig or db.sig. Probably net.sig, yeah.
Alright. And
We can also have this as a separate module in the build system if you want to.
I guess that would be pretty good, yeah. Wait, let's.
I guess, but I don't know like how interlocked that will be with the rest of the app. We can just keep it as is for now, but yeah.
It's pretty much all of this that just goes away from here. And then
Bada bam, bada boom.
Then we just need num-c. And probably
Yeah.
something else, but at least num-c and standard. Okay, now I actually
Don't
would like
forget.
to use NeoVim because typing these files back and forth is starting to get freaking annoying. Bruh.
Typing these files.
Like trying to
What?
find these files. I mean, NeoVim would just be like some shortcut to open it up and just.
If you're having issues with that, I think you really need something else than NeoVim. I think you need something that's like way more for like, you know, handicapped.
No, like in NeoVim you
Hmm.
can literally just is it control space space or space space F and you get the search. You can type the file that you want to go to.
Yeah, there's
function.
you can literally do that in here also. You just do Control Shift P. Well, actually, I don't know. It's probably Control N, but you can just remove this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a new
Okay,
file.
not Control N. Okay, but if you used to Control, wait, do Control Shift.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do Control P.
Ah.
Yeah, Control P, and then you can do net
I
or
went to
whatever.
the no Control P. I wanted to go to the main sig. Okay, good.
Yeah. So you can do that in this code.
Okay. And then we'll. What should I call it? Net. Just lowercase net.
Yeah, just use net. Net/net. Yes.
And then here we can just do. Then it will become net.bb.
Yeah, you see how nice that is?
Or should I just call it? Yeah, well, this is encapsulating net and then the database.
Yeah,
I was
well,
thinking if
like
we
it's
just
fine.
use-
It's like, nah, it's fine. It's yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, the music ain't jamming. I will quick switch that. All right. Let's see. Okay. So now we can go back to this one, and this one now needs to know about the it needs to know about the world. Is that a big of a? No, wait. I can take any opaques in all of these, can't I? I can. Hello? Oh, no, my Discord froze. No! Well, that's taking forever. Alright. Ah, still loading. Ah. Hello? Hello?
Join some like link.
What?
Welcome back.
Somebody's trying to scam my Steam friends by pretending to be me.
Oh, damn.
I'm like so shocked that everyone's fucking falling for it because like they're adding the account and it's like they're it's not even me, it's just somebody that has the same, like they just changed their username to my username and used my picture that I have, which is like just a picture I got off Google Images like for fucking Counter-Strike. It's a pistol. But I changed it.
Okay, nice.
And nobody's actually like looking at the fucking page.
Yeah, well.
Well, actually, we won't be.
It is what it is.
I was thinking about the world now. Should I pass any opaque? But then again, we're not even using the world.
No, we should have the queue, you know, the events.
Yeah.
Instead of having them as global.
Yeah. Okay. So it will take in the events instead. Like this.
Well, it will take in the. We want to declare a type. Okay, I know what to do. Make a new type just at the top, and this will basically
Inside
replace
of
the
DB
events
field?
thing.
Or
Yeah, sure.
namespace, yeah. Pub.
Yeah, and just call this events.
Do we const
like,
or do we need to mutate it?
Yeah, const. Well, I guess we can either call this like events or event manager.
What is this OOP stuff, Harold? That I'm
Yeah,
starting to hear
no,
about?
yeah.
What is this? Can't we
Yeah,
just...
no, I don't like manager also, but you know.
But
I don't know. I think you should
events.
get your intern to look at it.
Bruh.
Yeah, we should try that actually. But why not just use the events?
Because that's global.
But the type.
I mean the name. Yeah. You name it events. Yeah.
I mean, wait. Can't we just... Yeah, but isn't this... this is not a... No, wait.
Okay, well, what you can actually do is just we can you know what? Remove this pub const here, okay? And then we change out pub var events to pub const events, and then we camel case it. Yeah, and then instead of colon struct, you do equals struct. Yeah, and we remove this, and then we can change out. Okay, I know. Put this event type inside of the event type. Okay.
Oh, you mean taking this like this?
Yeah, this should be at the top. No, wait, no, I'm stupid. I'm done. Yeah. Yes, great. And then we probably want to change it out to event because it's already events. We can do event type or type.
I think type isn't that just a keyword already used that I cannot use?
No, it should be camel case.
Okay, event type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we can change the queue to have type.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
That
pretty
looks pretty
decent, I
sexy,
guess.
not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's
And then
acceptable.
we changed world to events.
Yeah. Like personally, I don't really like having types that are plural in their name, but you know it's fine.
That's true. What did I do wrong here now? Use of unclear identifier events. Ah, this one needs to know that it's
Yeah,
for
db.events. Yes.
Alright, and now we probably will have issues in the main again, but that's fine. Yeah, we need first
You
to
can
initialize
do.
actually the thing itself.
Yes, we should probably do that when we register the callbacks.
Right. Wait, so we go back into... Oh, wait.
Or when we connect, I guess.
Fuck, that wasn't the button. What was the button to open up my files?
Control P.
Control P. Yeah, no, okay. So net. Ah, yeah, I want to learn that so I don't have to figure out these things all the time. Okay.
Yeah. Well, one thing though, I was thinking that
Hello, pig.
maybe we shouldn't have net encapsulating the DB.
Why not?
Well, I don't know. Like you can choose. It's
Because
for
I
me.
still
Doesn't
think
really matter.
it's like it's kind of weird, but like the database is literally the whole server that we're connecting to. And we are.
Yeah, I know. So like you can, if you want, you can remove the DB encapsulation, but it's up to you.
What if you just rename it to spacetime? Because it's still net, but just spaced. Well, this is literally all just spacetime stuff either way. So just spacetime, and then we remove this DB.
I mean, I guess you can name it space time.
Yeah, and then we can remove the DB because then we know it's that. Literally everything what this has to do with it. There's nothing else you have in here that is not spacetime and
Yeah. Sure thing.
Probably should. And then this we have spacetime rusts. Should this one get a better name like bindings?
No, it's good. No, it's spacetime rust, spacetime sig. That's good. That's good.
Okay, then we can remove this, and then we have all of these inside of here, and player is undeclared because it should be at the top. Wait, I removed wrong, didn't I? I was supposed to remove this too.
Yes.
Yeah, but still player should be at the top either way.
I mean, not really, no, because player isn't that like important. Oh yeah, I mean types. Yeah,
Yeah.
type wise. Yeah.
And
Yeah, that is true.
wait, why is
You do Control Z. I mean Control C. S. I mean.
Yeah, it doesn't format
Yes.
it.
Yes. You can do.
I'm gonna take all of these and see. That's why it doesn't format it.
Yeah. Okay.
But wait.
And you have somewhere where you moved curly braces somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah, I did some.
No, you removed the curly brace. You don't have what the heck? Semicolon on the function? You serious?
Wait, because I want to take this one as well up. Look, here's something weird going on.
Yeah. That's the thing. That was the issue. Semicolon.
Okay, now it's better. And then we put the.
Yeah, have C declared at the top. The top, the top.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, and then we remove the DB.
Yeah.
DB events. And
Also, I like that the events is called world.
don't worry about it.
Sure.
Okay, we will get to but okay. Let's first start from here at the top. Just see that everything's fine. And then here we'll take just events. And then I will
Also, one thing that we can do if you want, which will make, well, I guess it just makes it a bit nicer. But then we can have that the player connect function also can return errors and shit, and have actual SIG stuff. Do you want to do that?
Wait, why is this a pointless display?
Because you're using it.
Yeah, but here I want to use it actually. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so it's removed.
Yeah.
But if you want, we can make it so it's a lot nicer, and then we can do try and stuff in there.
So, player connect, we were talking like when it gets into here, this can return.
Yeah, we can make so this can return an error.
Where would we catch player connect callback? Because this
Yeah, what we would do is make a wrapper callback that just calls the callback set by the user. And then we can do just error handling in that stuff and do whatever we want.
I just want to say I don't feel good. Maybe because I get in car accident and I need to go. All right, see, Pig just got here to say he got in a car accident. Oh my.
Dang.
Wait.
Good luck, man.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah.
Wait, so you're thinking that okay, we will have a callback for all of the wrappers, or like?
Well, no. It's more like we have. Well, nah, but we can. What we can do is have a. Wait, what you just said was kinda. Kinda smart. Yeah, if we just have one callback that Rust gives us, and we can use that, and it can give us like an enum or an integer to tell us what thing it is, and also like a void thing, so you know we can cast it into some data.
Yeah.
And then we only need one of these ugly ass closures in Rust.
Yes.
Yeah, like in Sig we will still have. Well, in Sig we don't really need to have more than one callback either. Then we can just do like a union.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean,
I'm kind of I'm not sure how to do this, but I'm thinking that would be pretty damn cool.
it's not too hard. Like what we gotta do is just well, it might be hard on the Rust side, but essentially what we need to do is have a callback that returns a number for basically what like which thing it is. Like, is it player connect, player disconnect, player break block, you know, whatever, and then we can have a void pointer basically.
Well, I guess we could rename this one to be, if this one can also take, I don't know, no, that doesn't make sense. No, never mind, forget about it.
Yeah, well, I guess it becomes weird because it's threaded and everything will go through that. Nah, we'll just have multiple callbacks.
Yes. Yes.
But we can still make this nicer if you want to.
Yeah. Let's first just get it running as it has been before. So we'll go here and we'll change this one to SpacetimeDB, and should I also rename it SpaceTime? I think.
I guess, or just like ST.
Nah, space. And then we'll just go.
Or SCT. Well, I don't know, we can do whatever.
And we also need to do it for all of the .NET, but that's all of them.
You know, you could literally just have pressed F2. Like when you wanted to, so you could have just renamed it, but yeah. The thing is, what you're trying to do now won't work because, you know, we don't have it as a global.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's a easy peasy solution. Yeah, just, well, okay, sure. In the set callback or somewhere, maybe connect, I guess. Well,
I think we should have a function that just creates init events or whatnot. Because
well, it would be nice if it could be done in the connect.
We could just rename it to init, and then let all of the connection stuff basically initialize space-time, and that's we will have everything in there. I think that makes sense.
I guess. Yeah, I mean, sure.
And then this one, well, now we call it connection, but should this one be renamed to space-time as well? Maybe.
Well, no, what we can do is we can use the structure spacetime.sig, like the file, as the type.
So self, or this.
Well, at this, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
So connect, and again I have this.
Changed.
Or
Yeah.
we'll put them higher. Oh wait,
Well,
wait, but these are still like the init is the
yeah,
first thing
they
that
are
should happen.
fine.
Yeah, but this one above it still, I think, right?
Well, yeah, I guess, yeah.
Well,
Yeah,
this
exactly.
or do I remove if I
Nah, just keep it this B.
okay,
Just keep that B.
and then we
Yes.
say init.
Or do we want to keep that B though?
Yeah, that was what I was thinking at this. What absolute values? Yes.
Yeah, but do this.
Yeah.
And then we want to have some fields. We can change it. We can put the connection stuff into the thing. We don't have to have connection as a type anymore.
Yeah,
So yeah.
like that.
Well, I guess it's still needed in the C, but we can just redeclare it as just an empty opaque, and it's fine.
Well, we could also have.
No, I know what to do. Just go into C, and at the top of C,
Yeah.
just declare connection at the top of this structure here. Do like pubcons.
But can't you
top
just
of
also
C.
make like kind of like
We don't really care about that anymore.
because they well
Like
yeah
it's
they okay.
nice. Yeah.
So at the top of inside here.
Yeah,
Right.
pubcons. And then connection. Yeah, equals star opaque. Also curly braces and then semicolon.
Curly braces. Wait, I'm lost.
Yeah, it's a type. Yeah, curly braces and then semicolon. Bada boom, bada bang.
This is.
Congratulations.
Wait, why do we need these ones? I was thinking like this.
You just have to.
Okay, now I see. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But
then,
yeah, that's great.
But now this is connect will return. No, it will.
Yeah,
just,
it's fine. It's fine.
So it's the same as just saying this here.
Well, yeah, but this is nicer and more type safe.
Well, I guess, but.
And we do like our type safety.
Okay. Let's fix it up in here.
But actually at the top.
Yeah. Okay. Wait,
Yeah, fix this up.
Wait, is there anything to fix? I think it's.
Yeah, you have to remove this try spacetime queue, ensure total capacity garbage.
Oh.
Yeah.
But then we get.
But we want to change out close for the init here.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so we basically put close. Yeah, exactly. Put out close and make it the init. Yes. We also have to want to have a field at the top. Because fields are before types. I know a bit disgusting, but it's the rules.
Do we have it? What do we mean field? We don't have any fields. Or do we
yeah, well, we're gonna add fields.
Okay.
Yeah. Just have one called connection, lowercase, snake key.
Wait.
Snake
Wait,
connection.
What do connection? Like just this?
Yeah. Semicolon. Connection.
Do you mean like
C dot connection. Yeah. Exactly, comma. You don't have to do equals undefined. Yes, fabulous. So now we want to go into the init. Init and the init, I guess. And then we want to basically make, instead of doing return, do dot curly braces. Well, I guess we can have it a bit cleaner. Yeah, it's declare connection in here. Instead of return, do const connection equals. Yeah, and then we want to we actually want to be specific here, so do a colon after connection. Yeah, see those connection. Yes, and then we just want to return for now. We want to do other stuff in a bit. Well, not just return connection. We want to do dot curly braces connection. Dot connection equals connection.
A double equal there, just in case, so it knows.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay.
Yeah. And now in the D init, we want to make it not be pointer self, but just self.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we do self dot connection. Yeah, we basically just do this as we did on the init, but for the rest of the things that have stuff, you know.
Oh,
But
yeah.
one thing about the subscribe to tables, do we then want that as a dependent function? Like, can't we just have that in the init?
Yeah. No. The thing is, wait, subscribe to table here. We'll show you why it would be ideal to have it as something because okay, here spacetime subscribe to tables. Where do we have it? It's something where we would like to. Where do I have register?
I mean, like in Rust, in Rust it can still be like dependent, independent,
this
but in
is-
Sig, you know.
We would. I think it would be nice to pass a string or something, so you could say specifically which tables you would like to subscribe to, because this is how you
A
subscribe.
string?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Strings?
Yeah.
Are they crazy?
Yeah.
What the hell?
But it's like it's SQL query. So I thinking it would be nice if you could have an interface where you just say which tables you would like to subscribe to, and then in here it can take in those and just subscribe.
You
to
know,
those.
we can also just make a config structure in Sig that we can tell, yo, like we want these structures or like these tables, and then in the init, I mean, we can subscribe to those that were specified in the config.
But then you
You
still
know,
need
you know.
to make it like this. You have to somehow take it in to subscribe to them. Or am I wrong?
Well, yeah, but we imagine we have a config structure that we pass into the init. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, and
yes,
that
yes.
can have the tables that we want to subscribe to as an array,
Oh.
and
Yeah,
then we subscribe to those in the init, so we don't have to make the user or like us, you know,
Yeah, so you
do a bunch
mean
of shit.
go back in here. Like this thing can still stay as it is, but we just don't have subscribe to tables. We just call this
Yeah, we don't have
immediately
a
inside of
yeah,
the init.
call it in the init. Yes.
Yes. I'm just gonna check one thing because it's so weird with the order, because I think you have to set the callbacks before you subscribe to the tables. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but we can set we can do everything in the init. Like it's, you know, it's gotta be there anyways.
Okay, well let's see. Let's then move this to here and let's take the. Is it also called?
Yeah, and yes. But it's fine because you see, I made this set callback thing because I thought that we were gonna, you know, use this nice thing on like our side, but because it's just gonna be on the like inside of here, and we're never gonna see it again. We don't actually have to have this like we can just have register player thing.
We will see. We can move it back. It's not that it's weird. Oh, impossible to register.
You should probably not copy that. You should probably just like
I know.
redo it. But
I know what I'm doing. Boom.
Sure.
Easy peasy.
Semicolon, not
Yeah,
comma.
don't worry about it. I'm just gonna remove this one.
Yeah, remove that. It's removed.
Yeah, and then here, this one we will change to the connection, right?
Yes, also for the register player connect callback thing. Also connection, not self.
Ah.
Yeah, and also please make semicolon.
Isn't it semi? Bruh.
Yeah, it's above. Bro, when you read errors, you gotta think above. Yes.
Wait, what do we have?
One thing, please go into the C structure and rename world to events.
I was about to start thinking the same. I was like, where is it called world?
Yeah, because someone doesn't know you can rename stuff in VS Code with a keybind. Yeah, but it's okay. It's not easy. It's not easy to know. Great. Right. Also, please remove the comma there, so it's just one line, because it's useless having it on 4 lines. Yes. Oh, that's so beautiful. But now we want to have the events. So above this,
the whole
like
thing,
after
or?
connection. Well, I guess no, after connection probably, because connection is like the main thing.
It is, but it also looks a bit ugly trying to start doing.
Okay, I mean it doesn't really matter. You can do.
Okay.
Yeah, you do var events or const events. I think it's var.
But now we need to take an allocator in here, I think.
Yeah, I know.
So we'll just do allocate.
Congratulations, you spelled it.
Yeah.
Mem.
I was about to get there. Don't help me, okay?
Okay. I won't help you.
Thank you.
5 years later.
Is it just events? Yeah. Equals dot. Wait, do I have? How do I? I don't remember. Do we have to allocate this thing, don't I?
You said you wanted no help.
Yeah, I need help.
Okay, not empty.
But it's already.
I know it. I know. But I know it. I know what to do. Do dot empty. Wait. Just do it. No. Wait. Use the curly braces. Dot curly braces.
But now
Yes.
it won't be owned.
I know. So now we do on the next line events. Dot ensure total capacity.
You need.
I mean LQ. Yes. Ensure total capacity. Not precise.
Yes.
Yes. Allocator.
Allocate all.
Exactly. And new capacity. We can do one. How much you think how many events you think we will have? We did 1,000 before.
I think we can continue on with the 1,000.
Probably do 1,024.
Yeah, that's cleaner.
28, I mean. Or, no, it is 24. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, great. One thing about the callback union that we have declared above, you know?
Callback.
Above. Go up.
This.
And I'm gonna teach you a trick. Just select the player connect. I mean, just have your mouse on the line. Just have the mouse on that line, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Like I mean the cursor for the code. Just press up arrow. And then you do Control X.
But this I know already.
Bam! And now you can go into the C. Yes. Up. And then after connection. Not at the top, after connection. Yes. Also probably make a space between connection and player connect, but you know it's fine. Yeah, and now we can just remove the callback union down there. Because we don't need it. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah, just remove the callback dot player connect. Maybe we should have it in a callback thing.
Yeah.
Well, we are structuring anyways, so make a pub const above the player connect. The pub const lowercase callback equals struct. Yeah, I guess. Now it did a bunch of shit.
Not what we wanted.
But you know. Yeah, no. And then we just put the player connect inside of there.
Oh, you mean?
No. Yeah, yeah. Yes, exactly. And then we can do callback.player connect. I mean, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice.
Well, that's fine. That's fine. But still, how do we ensure the events?
Yes. You basically did it, but you got to do a try also on ensure total capacity.
But we still will lose these events because this is now just created here. This, we will lose this pointer to this.
No.
How do you know we won't lose this?
Just trust me, bro.
Bro,
Just trust me.
this is not...
No.
We need it here, like
because
this.
C... Yes, but the thing is that C doesn't dereference things that you return.
But we are not returning this.
Yeah, but we are going to return it.
Okay. So we're gonna add
Yes.
so we're gonna do the
events.
same like we did here. We're gonna do here.
Yes.
Events.
Events? Events? Events?
Shut your ass.
Yes. Also, this is why I thought that you should declare events below connection. Because, you know, connection is the first field in the init function. You
yeah,
see,
in that sense. Yeah, okay.
and the connection at the top, yes. Delightful. Yes, beautiful. And then we can return the events. You can have it as comma there, it's fine if it's multiple lines. Dot events equals events.
Right, my bad.
That's okay. Not easy to remember all the dots.
Yeah, no, it's super hard.
Okay.
And then...
Yeah, now we have that.
Wait, where do we?
One thing about the callback type instead of C, maybe we want to also move in the callbacks into that. Like the play connect function, like it's the actual thing.
Oh, you mean this thing?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Depends because I'm still not sure like how we will go about like if we will have all of the if this will be a big switch between a lot of callbacks. I think it's
No,
just
we
nice
we
to
will have multiple because of how it's multi-threaded and like async also. And
But I
shit.
don't wanna. I think it's still fine to still just have it here.
Yeah, we can keep it here for now, but
For
like it's
now,
easiest and
we'll see. But yeah, is it just
yes.
what I have to provide?
Mhm.
What am I supposed to put in there now? I'm a bit. Lost.
You're supposed to put in the actual function, so you can just change out the the callback into that. Wow, amazing. Also,
Right.
one thing about the run threaded function, why don't we have that in the init also?
Yeah. Now we can actually put it there because we do this and then we run threaded.
Yeah, I mean, they can just put it in the init if we were doing that other stuff anyways.
Yeah. But what if you don't want to run it threaded?
Well, you don't have a choice.
Yeah. What else are you gonna do with this thing?
Yeah, what else are you gonna do? You don't have have an empty line between those because it's still just related to the connection. Yes, delightful. And I can remove the run threaded.
Woo!
Bada boom, bada bam. Also, we probably don't want player connect like the callback to be public.
How do you make it private?
Just remove the pub.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So pretty much this is just the init.
And now, yeah, but we also have to do init instead of spacetime.connect.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, a little thing about naming. Just keep it as spacetime. Now just put the back the e there. Oh, just do spacetime. I'll show you something. Remove the dot connection though. Yes, and then we do spacetime. We can just do dot init here. You don't have to do spacetime dot init. Just dot init. Yes, and now we also want to remove this useless garbage stuff. Yes, and we want to rename const spacetime to spacetime with camel case, and also the file too.
Oh.
No, well, I guess there's a better way of doing it. Just press F2.
But that didn't
Yeah.
rename that.
Yeah, okay, that's true. Yeah.
No
Okay, well
result.
you can't rename streams. It's not a type.
But I could
Yes.
have done it with the thing I did.
Yeah, what I think was disgusting. Yeah.
All right, let's quickly just check here.
Yeah, you have to do or else return.
Oh yeah.
Expected type. Yeah, just do ampersand reference. You know.
Oh yeah, because it's not. Yeah. Okie dokie. Okay.
Yes.
That looks pretty good. Pretty solid. Process events. Now it's just space time.
We can take in the space time in here. Wait,
Oh, yeah,
before you rename stuff.
Or we need both the world and yeah.
No, you don't, because we don't need the world in here anymore.
We needed to add.
No.
No.
Just change out world there. Oh, this is in here. Oh.
Process the events.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I see. Okay, my bad. But we should take in space time in here.
Yeah, space time we should take in.
But space time before world, please.
Isn't world more important?
No, space time is more important.
What the fuck? Okay, it's process
Spaces
events.
time.
Spaces time. We are taking plural, alright? We're taking many.
Yeah. Spaces time. Yes. You don't have to have the pointer to it. Yeah.
Alright, and then here we just pass in connection.
Spacetime.
Should I rename this one also to just?
Yeah, rename that to spacetime. Yes. Come on, yes. Bada boom, bada bam.
And now we can actually use spacetime dot what events dot block.
You're already doing it.
Oh, I'm on, wait. Yeah, it has the same name, bro. I got lost. But why is this has no member named?
Events. Yeah, there. Yeah, remove dot events. Yeah, yes. Remove one dot here. Remove is this.
No source struct.
It's the type
It's,
spacetime
yeah.
you're trying to do.
No, then it has that.
Typical.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't have dot events because it's different. Right. No, it is. It is events.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Well, your LSP doesn't work. Just do events. Dot lock. Dot lock.
Expected type we found const thread.
Okay, I guess we need this as a reference.
I told you, but
Yeah.
you never listen. Well, mainly
Well, I
because
didn't know
I'm
about
most of the
the
time
mute
wrong,
things.
but.
Yeah. Also, make it into a variable spacetime, not constant spacetime. Yes. Also, I gotta get my past. I almost forgot about that.
You're past that? And yeah, that should be pretty much it, I think. I'm just gonna close a lot of these because it's getting annoying to see all of them. Well, I should also use this feature that is so beautiful. Anyways. Okay, look at this. It's getting pretty damn clean, except for we still have a lot of debug tests going on. But besides that, it's pretty clean. And some beautiful naming there. But let's do spacetime start.
I'm back.
Welcome back. And then we can sig build run. And it should run, right? Ay. No such file. Oh yeah, the build system doesn't know shit about this now. It does need to know about it, right? Or am I tripping?
It doesn't, but the cargo lock does. And cargo tommel.
The what?
The cargo tommel.
No,
You know, those files in the root at the bottom of the file. Bottom. Yes.
No, this is just yeah, it needs net. But wait, how?
Bro, I'm not even a Rust expert, and I know this.
I'm not a Rust expert either. Okay, it's
yeah.
What the fuck happened actually? Oh, you need capacity. Was it panic unreachable code?
I think you need more memory.
I don't think so. I think
yeah, I don't either think that.
Fully connected, and then let's see. I'm just gonna bit cursed that we need space to read this now. Following command terminated, and then thread push back assume capacity. It failed to push back.
It ran out of memory. Okay, wait. I don't think it's the total, like ensure total capacity we need. It's something other in the init. Just do events on a new line so you can just see. Event, Q, yeah. Dot.
Wait, what did I say?
No, that should be it.
Yeah. And I did pass in the allocator, yes. Let's see, source. I'm just gonna check how we did it before but I'm still pretty sure that should be it, right? Ensure total capacity. We just did 1,000 instead, but
Try just doing 1,000 then.
it's kind of weird that I don't think that should be the issue. Ensure total capacity. Unless if it's calling the callback multiple times, but I don't think that should happen either. Well, you also moved a lock.
Bruh. It doesn't do anything.
Player connect. Wait, hold on. I take this. Do we still call it player? Yeah, we do call it that, and that's the type. Yeah. I don't. Could it be because type is just a weird name that it might get weird with it?
Nope.
I'm just gonna do a typo then.
100% not. That's not how stick works.
Yeah, okay, no. Well, yeah, you never know. Alright, why though? Is it time for the intern? Is it time for the intern to shine?
It's time for the
No,
intern.
hell no.
It's time for the intern. Just make sure you stage your branch.
Yes.
Maybe a checkout.
And we'll just get pushed. I can still work on this and just get Stash back to what it used to be then. Alright. So... Was it just Claude? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yes, proceed. Alright, let's see what this baby can do.
Have you stashed?
I did a git push on the branch, so I don't know if I need to provide anything. I don't know. I maybe I've done too much already. I hope it doesn't write the whole project. Lollygagging. What the fuck does lollygagging mean?
It's gagging only. What do you mean?
And that's some crazy lollygagging right there.
Yes, this is millions of engineers' lives they put into this.
Intern.
This intern is crazy. It's lollygagging. Like all it does is just lollygagging. In the meantime, while that one is going crazy, let's see. It's lollygagging again.
It's...
Oh, here, let's see. Pushback catch, bro. It's no.
Wow,
Really.
that's revolutionary. What? How could he think about that?
I mean, I guess
What?
it's a good
That's
thing, but
so
still,
crazy.
like, that shouldn't be the problem here. Bro, that's not gonna fix it. And
Thousands of years of development.
Say no,
Yeah.
do something differently. Be like, and then. What did it try to say? Scroll up. It says the assertion failed.
Yeah,
Failure
it's just,
suggests.
it's just gonna catch the
a
error,
DQ?
but the thing is, I don't wanna catch the thing. I wanna know why I don't have memory. Memory to insert, even though I allocate it. And then I'm gonna provide this thing. I still prefer the panic or the crash, because then it's like obvious to read it and be like, oh, rather than just having a print and be like, ah, and then it continues on with its day. It's like, what the fuck?
Yeah. 1 second, I'll be back.
Yeah, let's see. We didn't provide anything really, but try Cloud Doctor or npm geocode.
Oh, that's. You have to like run Claude without your bash RC settings. Like, yeah, you have to. It doesn't matter.
STD
you can just update it manually.
You're
if you need to.
using fixed width and fixed size buffer only 2 bytes. This is a very small amount of memory. It's fine. When you call ensure, but that should still be the queue tries to allocate the memory slots, but limited fixed amount of memory as your program runs. The allocated half memory to world, this memory gets fragmented and used up. Eventually, there isn't enough. I mean, we could try just giving it less on this. Let's just do 100. But I don't think that should be the issue. Nah. Yeah. Like I still have bruh, I can speak. Because if this one fails, what do we do in the main? We try to init and then it should exit, so I mean it should be able to allocate it. Limited fixed amount of memory.
What's up?
What's up? It's T-Chef.
I'm back.
Yo, Harold.
Yo, what's up? Or should I say, what's up? Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, what's up?
What's up?
So how are you guys doing?
Well, I don't know, man. I was doing pretty good, and then Lucas pulled out the intern, and I was like, oh, hell no. The intern is Claude.
What do you
Yes.
mean?
No, it's
Ah,
cheaper
hell
Claude.
no.
Don't worry, it's
Oh,
I don't know
even
if this
better.
is fine, to be honest.
Now bro is just like rage baiting the AI instead of me.
Write me a code with equal false, bro.
Oh, hell
To
no.
be explicit.
Yeah, Lucas, like if Lucas were to write code, but he didn't want to write the code, so he would use AI. The prompt would go something along the lines of, please write this program, but make the naming very inconsistent, very bad, and please make so that everything is everywhere. Okay, sounds good. Yes. Also, please include SpacetimeDB.
It still isn't quite on like the actual Claude's level, but
Yeah.
you should
And
still.
instead of saying your Linus Torvalds, he says you're Lucas Eklund.
This is the AI at that point.
I like how it's like answering your question and not like
Well, that's not a
coding though.
First allocates memory for query, second iterate allocates memory for the new
Yeah, man,
query.
just use a normal ass alligator.
No, I don't
Stop
wanna.
it with this fixed buffer.
No, we're not.
Man, it's just memory at the end
Hey,
of
well,
the
Lucas.
time.
No, it's not. What?
Lucas, I've been grinding Khan Academy on my phone, bro.
You what?
Yeah.
What?
I've grinded Khan Academy.
Nice.
You grinded Khan Academy? Huh?
Yes.
Academy.
Those
Like
those
for
can?
physics stuff.
Oh, you grinding physics? Oh.
Yeah, and I want to
hell no.
make a physics library now.
Okay,
But
that's
I
good.
thought, why not do this like,
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
But then I asked like, bro, I don't know how to do it in Zig, you know? And that's like, I don't know, man.
Well, if you want to know how to do something in Sig, just DM me.
And if you don't want to know how to do something,
Yeah, I know how to do
Paris,
everything.
DM
yeah,
me.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you
I
if
think
you
I
want
will
your
do
code
the
to look
Zig just
awful,
for learning purposes.
you see for learning purposes. I mean that's fair. That's fair. Lucas is not
I've
using
been
Sig for
thinking
learning
like
purposes.
I've been thinking about like ECS structure basically where you could attach, for example, like a force module or something, or like a friction module, or I don't know, some things so they
Oh,
act
you could.
differently, I guess.
You
Yeah,
could.
very good
Just
after I used it for one program, right?
yeah. No, what you should do, Chef, is just
From Rust
pass.
thread? What is it?
Yeah, it's using Rust.
Oh, you are using Rust?
Yeah, sometimes
we're
yes.
using Rust.
But Chef, what you should do is just have an array of a tagged union, and that updates it and gives like out the new version. That should be it, or just modify the current.
An array of tag unions.
Yeah, tagged union is like it's a type that
Yeah, I
contains
know, I
many
know.
types. Yeah. You can
Yeah,
have
I
an array
see.
of those. Yeah, so
Say that
then you
would
can have
be
like
easier or
that would be a
better.
lot easier. The other thing that you said, that's basically Mission Impossible. Like you have to be a Siga for that.
Okay.
So basically, like a way of tag units is the same as like basically if you have a bit field and you just set some bits for different modules, right?
Well,
Like it's a little bit more, but like it's like the same style, right?
well, sort of, not really, but kind of. Like it does the same thing, but it works a bit differently.
Yeah, I mean it contains the data, not like it also contains the data of the modules. Like a bit field wouldn't do that, but yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's what I would do at least, but yeah.
Okay. And for
And
rendering, can I use Waylib?
for rendering,
Is it possible?
yeah, it's easy. I can send you the build script for it.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Just the yoink fast.
Hey, what happened? Player
That's-
connected?
Yeah, I removed the insert to queue, but we do get the same pointer, so we should be fine. I don't get it why we are not fine, because the
Hey,
pointer
wait,
is
Harold,
literally the same.
What the chef?
I've been thinking about using Blavi for rendering, but then I thought, nah, maybe not a good
Oh,
idea.
I don't know. Yeah, no, you will be cooked.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wait, did I do something wrong?
You got some sort of error.
Oh, yeah, that needs to be an ampersand. And what else did I do? Oh, that should be fine. Okay. The pointers here are also fine, so it should be the same pointer the whole way, so it shouldn't be invalidated. And this thing doesn't, wait, the allocation doesn't fail either, because then it should go return, wait, if this try fails, doesn't it return back? That if...
Yeah,
And
that's what try does.
We should actually free this in case that happens, right?
Well, like Sig will just cannot do it for you. You don't have to worry.
No, I don't like.
But I guess you can.
I should.
I want to
Well,
say
it's
that
just for
would be my score.
debugging.
But it's kind of weird because all of the pointers are valid when it gets through here. Like, we are using the same pointers, it just fucks up when it gets here and it doesn't... Like, the pointers are the same, that's so weird. I swear, it's literally just because of this. Look, now it's going to work. Okay, I lied. But it's so weird because the pointers are valid, and I would assume that that would work then because the allocation... Can I somehow figure out what's the max capacity?
Yeah. I think you can. You do buffer.size. I mean buffer.length.
What did I do wrong? Ah. Yeah, we shouldn't do that ampersand or half that. Well, that should also be, no. Ah! In pointer, it has a len of... The fuck? Why does it have... Well, anyways, that's weird. And then here it says only 128, but that shouldn't still
Try to run it again. If it ends up differently, it's just garbage memory.
No, it's this. Well, it can also happen just that it happens to be the same setup all the time, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
So if I change this one to 3, yeah, it's garbage memory probably. It's not even real because it didn't even change that in here.
Yeah,
So
it's probably just garbage.
something is wrong with the allocation, which is strange.
You know the thing you said about just passing pointer in Rust as a like view size thing, as an integer in Rust, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should do that.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
But what? I just realized we didn't change anything in there. How does anything work?
Nah, I don't know. I don't try trust.
I don't like the rust. Anyways, that's the pointer is fine. It's not the fine. It's not the problem. You're locking probably wrong. No. I'm locking right. I don't know. Something is wrong with this because this is actually it's not pointer. This is len. This is the length of the buffer, and we try to change the length, but still the length sends this back to us, which is strange because it should be the
Well,
same and it shouldn't be this.
Ask the intern to do zig build run and see if it can consume the console, or give it the console info.
If it did zig, wait.
Well, Lucas, since when are you paying your interns? Since when are you paying your interns?
Since when am I paying my
Slave labor, man. It's on the penny.
Yeah, they're cheap. Anyways, wait. Let's go to the rust first. Now let's actually get rid of some old stuff from here which are not needed because it's just another.
Lucas, look at our private DMs. I thought that was funny, so I had to show it.
Oh no, what is this now? T-shirt setups right now. Holy moly!
This is what my thought was.
Wait.
That's a fire setup.
Yeah, it's a crazy setup.
Wait, you're
That's what it was. Fire setup.
You alloc on a different thread or no? Actually we do allocate on a different thread. Wait. Spacetime. Wait, no. Because we do the allocation here. And then we run threaded. And then we return.
Yo guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
What? Yes.
Okay, fire.
So it should wait. We run threaded. We pass connection. It's spacetime that runs a like. It's not us that is right. Is it already not working just after init or after also? Wait, is it already not working just after init or out? Like, it works as long as I don't try to use the queue.
I know what it means. Just print the spacetime in here. Just print it in here, not like on the separate Rust thread thing, Bob.
You mean here print?
Just somewhere, yeah. It's print. It's just outside or whatever. Just not in the callback. Just somewhere in the universe.
Well, okay. FaceTime main PTR. The pointer, right?
Yes. Well, no. I mean, I guess the length also.
Well, length is already fucked from the allocation. It's already wrong, so that can.
No, but we don't know if it's fucked from the allocation or if it's fucked because of Rust.
But
that's what we want to see.
It's already fucked in here, and this is still SIG.
Oh, is it fucked in there? Oh.
Yeah, this is already fucked. Well, I guess I run threaded, so I should probably do this before I try to see that.
Yeah.
And then we can also still do it in here. Like so. That's not gonna be a pointer. This is gonna be the pointer. Bro, what the fuck? Let's see. Let's see. So in pointer. Where's the main pointer? I didn't even get to the main pointer. I got the back pointer before I got the main pointer. What the fuck? Okay, wait. We'll just But wait, how did that crash?
Oh wait,
it
maybe then you.
It crashed on the... Oh wait, no, I didn't do the print right. What the fuck did I do wrong?
Yeah, you're trying to use P for like a structure. Home. Oh,
It's
what the
asterisk.
hey?
It should be asterisk. Yeah.
Yeah, but in the main you're still doing it wrong.
How the fuck am I doing wrong in the main?
Well, look at it. Oh no, there was 100% there. Wait,
Yeah.
okay, never mind. I'm bad. I'm stupid. I'm bad.
The space-time invalid?
Maybe we should print the pointer of the queue and not event.
But
Like the events.
if I can't even access the events, I cannot even get the pointer of the queue. I need to get the...
Wait. No, yes, you can.
No, I cannot. Wait, let's see. Where is the... Bro, this is unreadable.
If you just take the reference to the queue in the events, you know.
Why did it crash before anything happened? What did I now do wrong? Space-time... This should be like this. Am I tripping?
I don't know what you're on, man, but can I have like 20 of that?
But bro, like for real, like isn't this should be how you print those damn pointers? What did I add now that is wrong? Wait, I should maybe read.
It's probably not in that place. It's use size.
Where is it?
Yeah, like this is actually the worst thing ever. Like compile errors are so bad because they don't tell you where.
Non-type use size with specific. Cannot format non.
Yeah, somewhere you're using pointer where there should be added for, you know.
Right. Okay. Now we go back to here.
I have to send you some code.
Okay.
Ah, okay. So in pointer
That
for
I
events is
wrote
this.
on the airplane.
Okay.
So
That's
keep
good.
that in mind. Very important.
These are different.
Yes.
No wait, this is because it's space-time. This is the thing. Oh, what? How? Yeah, these two are different pointers. This is the pointer I should have this, but I have that. So they are different.
What's the difference?
Let me show. So here, this is what I got, what I want, but this is what I get. It's,
I see, yeah. It's
9.
probably to do with alignment.
But it's such a huge jump. Like it's not a few bytes, we're talking a few kilobytes. Oh, literally the allocation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or like a kilobyte. You probably need to align cast pointer cast if you're taking an address of a field.
No, because SIG does that automatically when it comes to that, I believe.
But that's still kind of weird because we're still talking SIG when we are doing stuff inside of here.
We're always talking SIG.
Yeah. Bro, I just realized. Wait.
Oh.
No.
You're...
No. I'm passing in the right thing here. Events. Wait, but no, this... Oh my god. Wait. What do I actually want to pass? I want to pass in the whole... Not the queue. No. I want to pass the whole events, right? Yeah. And then I take it back in here and I print out the whole events. Yeah. Not the queue. We are still talking about the events. Why? What if we just allocated events here also instead of just using this? Even though we assign it over here. I don't know. Just made a events pointer and then did a... This is how we do it, bruh. I need to try. Expected space found. Oh, is it alloc 1? Or what is it called? Can't you just do one allocation? Like.
Wait, Harold, the splat function, what does it again?
It just like makes
Proceed
it
online.
into a bunch
Oh,
of
yeah,
zeros.
I see what you did. Bro is wrong. You took the address of events and then moved
Okay.
it. What are you doing right now? It's gonna fix it. But how do I allocate one? Because now it's allocating an
Wait.
array. How do I just allocate once?
Create.
Create. Yes. And then expected net. How do I now? Do I just make this one to be a pointer as well over here?
Couldn't tell you.
And then in here we're just gonna do this. Bruh, what did I do wrong this time?
Harold, you gotta help me out here real quick. I need a name for my physics library, or I don't know.
Still the
Fix
pointers.
Fizz said.
Okay.
I sent it to you in Discord.
Bruh, I can never get this. Why are the pointers still incorrect?
Okay.
I don't understand. Is it because this should also be... Let's print self. At this point I have no idea. Do we get here? No, we're gonna get that. So I need to do this. No? Because now you're printing the address of the pointer variable, not the pointer you're... What do you mean? I'm still... Ah, right. Bruh. Okay. But it's still incorrect. Wait, so I have a pointer, I print the pointer, and I get in here, and this one is now going to be a pointer in itself, and I print the pointer. Yeah, so those should be correct, but still, the pointers are not. No, wait, they are the same. I'm stupid. No, okay, now the pointers are correct. Okay, but that we can work with. Bruh, I'm tripping. Okay, Harold. You need to stop trolling me with that you can do this here, because apparently it didn't work once again. You had to do a...
Not if you're doing pointer events.
But no, because you have to do like this. You cannot just have events and then assign it here to this thing. That broke. You had to make it a pointer up here and make it a pointer here and allocate it.
What?
But I don't understand why does connection.
That's so weird.
Why does the connection work?
Because that's already a pointer, because opaques are always pointers.
Ah, wait, so if now when I change it to pointer, could I now change it back to just being a normal? Could that work?
I don't know. Probably not.
But why does it work for connection? That doesn't make sense, because then that one also has to have...
No, connection is allocated inside of Rust, SpacetimeDB and shit.
Oh, yeah, and that's why it returns, and then that's why it's still... Yeah, it's valid memory. Yeah, okay. You can also allocate this so the whole thing has a stable address if you want. Yeah. I could, but we're not gonna do it. Okay. But now we can continue on with seeing what's the next issue, because it goes through all of this and then it still messes up somewhere, which is interesting. I think we don't need these. I'm just gonna comment that one out because it's still a good print. Okay. Let's see, what's the next issue? It goes into here. Let's see. I should have at least one print so I could see where the fuck I'm at. Main PTR. Here. And then somewhere thread panic index out of bounds. Yeah, it tries to access some very... Okay, some memory. this is probably memory alignment. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? I passed space-time by... Oh, is it because self could also right now be completely fucked? But we are just doing pop. Let me try this. If I take space-time, I'm gonna take the pointer of that thing. Just checking that it's alright, you know. We don't know. In PTR, and we're just gonna take off self. Did I do something wrong? It looks like I did a print wrong. Right. Still probably wrong. Can I not take the address of itself somehow? Well, it should at least be fine when we return it, so I'm just gonna do that thing here. But then it should definitely be the same over here. Okay, now I don't know what the fuck is wrong. Wait, no, there they are. Yeah, these are the same. Okie dokie. And let's see if they then are the same. Okay, but here they are fucked again. Unless if I didn't print them right. But this is all I'm doing again the stupid stuff, bro. Here. Okay, they are the same pointer the whole way, so that's good. Then it's just weird that it actually goes out of bounds, because the next thing that it does here is just trying to do pop index. And somehow that's all messed up and shit. Oh. Well, that makes sense. I'm just doing a little bit of rage baiting again, guys. Don't. No, wait. No, I'm not. The world is... No. We're actually supposed to use the world. Okay, thank God. I was already getting afraid. Like, what the fuck am I doing? That's fine. This should be fine. Unless if I need to do that. And then another one. Nope.
Damn it, bro, this setup makes my arms hurt. It's actually insane.
Call it training.
Why would this try to do something? Head. Index pop, DQ, head. And then DQ buffer index 1 head. Len. Oh, but if something is definitely super wrong. Let's see. Index at buffer where the first item in the logical queue is stored. So this could be completely fucked and then it breaks. But if index is less than head, Spread the news. What news? I don't know, wrong locking will cause that. Yeah, but what could go wrong with... I just dislike the fur here in all of the places, but it should be fine.
The fur is good, bro. It's the best.
Where push?
What?
Oh yeah, we don't do a push anymore. But it shouldn't still crash. Like if you push something that is invalid or doesn't have... If you're trying to do a pop, should I do an if to check if it even has a size? We haven't had that issue before. Returns the first item in the queue to or null if it's empty. If it's empty, it should return null. So it should still be fine to just go through. You get out of bounds with 0 items in the queue. Yeah. Actually, we might have something in the queue. Wait. No, we cannot have anything in the queue. It's impossible. No, we cannot. There's no way.
Damn, I finally got the build script right.
Congrats.
Big build script?
Ah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I deleted too much of the
initial
first
under lock.
thing.
I mean, the lock should be... And then... Because we allocate it like this, so we should get both the lock there at the same time.
Wait, do you guys hear my keyboard? I hope not.
Nah, that's fine. We don't hear it.
Okay.
But I don't hear it, anyways. I don't think it is.
Wait, Harold.
Nope.
Is it when you allocate
Yes.
with as a pointer? Will this still be happening? Will it still be initialized to this, or should we also initialize the thread, the mutex thread thingy in here now? Because we are not just creating a struct, we are actually using.
No, it's just gonna have garbage memory. Just assign it after you create it. Just do events. Dot star. Dot star. And then just remove the dot lock and just do equals dot curly braces. Yes. 5 years later.
Ah. Well, that looks better.
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
I forgot about that. But why is it printing so many damn... Oh yeah, because now we have this. Okay, let's see if we can now actually add the thing. Well, that's good.
Tejef, one thing about your brainfuck compiler, it doesn't have nested loops, right?
Yeah, I know, but you know, I was searching, like I'm not sure if there are nested loops in brainfuck, you know, like because as I said, I had no Wi-Fi, and it was like I downloaded some brainfuck specification thingy, but I only found like not nested loops. I just thought, okay, no, I'm not doing nested loops.
Yeah, okay. Well,
Because
then I won't
never
change
seen
it.
nested loops in brainfuck. Yeah. I will
Okay.
herald this like loop over the code basically. Bro, I
Yeah.
had it like really good with like a capture and like looping with a for each loop, and then I needed like this loop jumping, and then I need to change it to a while loop. So that's why it's kind of ugly.
Oh wait, I should have read the Twitch
Yeah.
chat. Somebody said also there what, and I guess I got confused. Like there happened 3 chats at the same time, bruh. Somebody's told. I hope it wasn't long ago. Snow told me. Snow.
Bro, you
told
should
me
have a
that.
chat collection system that just collects it only to like one thing for
Yeah.
you.
Ah, bruh. Well, at least we got it now. That's some crazy. I don't know. It's not that as clean anymore. Can I also just do here? No, I cannot. That would be funny. Anyways. What else? What else? What else? So, shall we? What's the next thing that we should clean up a little bit? Is it? Wait, what time do I start tomorrow? To check. Bro, I barely got time. I fixed one thing and then I was it's time for bed. Oh fuck! I started early. Okay.
How early?
8. And it takes half an hour
8?
to walk.
That's when I start, bro.
Yeah.
I start at 8, at 10, and I wake up at like 6. I don't know what your problem is.
No, I still wake up around that time as well, but you know, I still need to do some stuff. And then I like to study in the morning before school.
No, you don't.
Time to make game.
Imagine having
It's actually
school
getting to
right
the.
now,
We
bro.
still need to make the renderer.
Yeah.
But let's fix the. Shall we fix these things a little bit? The rusty shit.
The rusty shit.
Yeah.
I mean, there's yeah, rewrite it all.
Just make a better naming for it all is what I'm trying to say.
You think?
Rendering is overrated. Let's just make a terminal-based game, right?
Yeah, if
We can remove to begin with. We can remove this free player. That's one is just me being stupid mainly. Where is it? Free player. We ain't gonna be needing that anymore. And the D init can also go from here. And yep. Okay. What should we use for naming for all of these things so they actually follow the same style?
just have DB in the front or something. I don't know.
DB connect. Bruh. Should I have FFI at the end?
FFI. No.
Function pointer,
Function.
entity component system,
But
everything.
I'm-
Member
And then I
variable,
can
static,
remove the call
inline.
convention because we already got the external, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And then
Exactly.
DB
They
disconnect.
should just be DB. I mean, I guess disconnect, yeah.
I swear there's nothing worse than logging into Git via terminal
Foobar bus.
on a new PC and generate a new token.
I know such a it sucks.
I like the idea of doing foobar. You know, we should do that.
No, hell no.
Ubar? Yeah.
Foobar is
Classic.
the way to go.
Classic C developer right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And DB subscribe to tables. I guess that one is still fine.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
Please.
Ubar your mom.
And
What?
DB registered player connect callback.
Yes.
Bam. Now we just need to also make these changes in the Rusty. Mr. Rusty.
Rusty,
Yeah, bro,
rusty,
it's so
rusty,
weird.
rusty.
Use a PC without a mouse, bro. I feel like a
Hmm.
real new user now.
You are a new user.
Right.
DB run. Everything else was the same. Alright, it should still run then. And it does. Crazy. Alright. Good. Should we still do something else?
I don't know. What's your intern think? Should probably commit, or maybe do a push, but don't do a commit, but don't push. You know, you can just push when you're done.
I'm pretty much posted done. We could still. We want to get to the rendering, but I'm still thinking like. I don't know. I think because if you add more callbacks, then we'll start changing this code. Now I think it's pretty solid how it looks. I think it's pretty solid.
Solid.
Yeah, it's a solid solid thing. All right, Harold. I think we're gonna call it here. Tomorrow we'll start Vulkan rendering. We need to figure out how to get Vulkan in this project.
It's easy.
It's easy. Solid 9 out of 10. Yeah, I would say so. And then all we need to do is actually just we're gonna make this Vulkan render really good. Like we're gonna have it so it's really good. Maybe I should. Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
It's gonna be the best of the best.
It's gonna be able to render
Lucas,
cubes.
you can take inspiration from Glavi.
La vie. For real.
Yes.
But yeah, Vulkan render is the next step. I think we did good on the restructuring. It's really nice, and now we just need to keep it. Well, we still have a few prints here, but these ones are comment out code. But this is to do with rendering. When we get to that, we have to still think. Where do we put the win? We can plan a little bit before we go about the rendering, right?
Sure.
So now we're getting to the Vulkan render here, and we're gonna be needing UI as well. So I'm thinking we probably will have a render like folder, right?
Why not renderer? Nah, render is good. Yes, renderer.
Alright. And why am I permanently in this chart? You have so good advice that we had to put you there. Let's see. We need a. I want it still to be a dynamic.
Disgusting.
Wait, what dynamic?
He
Wait,
wants
code reloading?
Yeah.
He wants the renderer to be dynamic. It's gonna be so bad, so ugly, disgusting.
But what part? The shaders?
No,
The
the
pipeline.
renderer.
Everything.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
Well,
FFI.
Well, I don't know, like
Disgusting.
that because the swap chain you should not be able to switch. So that's also kind of like.
Yeah, nah, yeah, you shouldn't.
But swap chain.
There's not much else to be honest. If you use dynamic rendering, you don't have a render pass. Yeah.
Yeah, the only thing that is like is the pipeline. If you wanted to change the whole pipeline, how it's rendering stuff, that's the only.
Because
thing
I really think you should just have like a recreate like thing for the like events, you know, and that just like we can have the renderer in Sig and it's beautiful, and then we can just do like renderer.init, renderer.init, and we're back online, you know.
But no. The only thing that we need to be able to reconstruct is the pipeline and the shaders.
Right. No,
I
it's
think there is
just
anything
send the
else.
entire binary every time.
No, just the functions for that.
Pull it from GitHub.
Yeah. Wait, let's see. Wanted to make a dynamic.
At this point, just make it be in TypeScript so you can just send the raw code.
could I be? What could I have be change? You see that the window and well, the window is not directly associated, but still, and the swap chain should not be. Well, the swap chain is still like when you resize. That's when you want to change that.
Yeah. So basically, swap chain gets recreated all the time,
Yeah.
but surface nodes, because why would you?
Yeah. Dynamic render on a sports house will encode the sets. You're absolutely right. It's certain. Oh, some Vulkan objects are deeply tied to each other. Tearing down them every time you reload render code expenses or costs headaches. Window surface crate. Yes, those we don't need to. Keep persistent window context. Vulkan instance physical device, yeah, and logical, those doesn't need to change. Swap chain usually, as you said, correct. Typically you don't want command pool, descriptor pool. You might keep these around for memory use. Just reset, populate them when reload. Yeah. Pipeline. Vulkan pipelines are immutable, so they perfect candidates to hot reload. You can reload shaders to build pipeline and swap the runtime. Keep pipeline creation logic module like .sig file. Pipeline from JSON struct data. Ugh. Okay. Well, I guess SPRV shaders detect changes in the SPRV recreate pipeline. Sig description sets binding. If you hot reload module defines binding, you can update layout as long as you manage. Yeah, that would be really nice. Render graph, scene graph. Wait, high level what gets drawn? Logic could. Wait, render graph, scene graph? Why doesn't this ring a bell for me? What does that imply?
Render graph, well, that's a concept.
Okay. Material definition,
Yeah.
logic, reload materials and pipeline associated with them shaders. Yes, CPU side render logic. Yeah, buffer update, uniform or issue draw calls. Yes, that's also like, then I could just switch the order of what gets drawn and what shouldn't get drawn in the middle of a thing. That's perfect. Yeah.
Also, one thing, Lucas, just telling you that this thing, it might be able to run actually, and then we can have people be testing it, while you're updating it. Yeah, as long as those people don't want to pay their internet bills for the year, I guess.
Shut up.
Like, this thing is gonna require like 1 trillion gigabytes per second.
No. It's only I send once.
Bro might as well be mining Bitcoin, bro.
Yeah.
No. If you play a game, you're already sending like tons of megabytes per second back and forth. You know.
Sure.
And even yeah, and if
You know what? I think I'll make a Bitcoin miner.
and if I just send one request for you to just download
Bitcoin.
a new
Yeah, well, you can
like
actually look at
a new pipeline, that's just gonna be a few megabytes of a dynamic library.
downloading a new pipeline. When are we downloading memory?
Just have your game secretly install an automatic SIG compile for the user and send out new source code easy.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, exactly. That's way easier. Yeah, man, just do it like that. You just have to have the SIG compiler. I mean, then we get more people to have a SIG on their PCs, It's a win-win.
Imagine somebody just starting out with SIG and it's like, okay, so I gotta install SIG. Oh, I already have SIG. What?
Yeah, and then they're like, why do I have SIG? Oh, I played this shitty-ass game once. Oh, I see.
Shitty ass game. Hey, you take
Yeah.
that back. It's not even a game,
Nah.
right?
Vulkan SDK updates automatically. SpacetimeDB 10 gigabytes, bro.
Yeah, bro, you're gonna need a NASA computer to run this.
What? No. But it's also mainly for, first of all, it's for me to easily change how things get rendered. Secondarily, if you want to send it to everybody else, but that we will see.
But Lucas,
No,
please
that
make
we
the
will
building
see.
easy. I don't want to have some things like at the VR project so that you basically can't run it without 30 minutes setup.
Yes.
That was
But the VR was actually 2 hours setup, so yeah, not
Yeah.
30 minutes.
Yeah, but that was an exception. I mean, it's VR, but I hope this will be better. That I can
Yeah.
bam zig build run and I'm in.
yeah, that's Harold could do that, and you shouldn't even need to be like. We should just be able to upload the executable, so you can just run it without having to build it. You know, just like that. You know, that's the point.
Sure.
Swap can
beautiful.
only. Yes, command pools descriptors can be reset. I think that would be nice also. CPU side render function, scene material data. Yeah.
I'm right now witnessing severe Wi-Fi problems on my PC. I can't even push to my GitHub repo.
That's so
Oh,
sad.
that's rough.
At least you're not having wife problems.
Yet.
Damn.
No, but we will do this. We will make it dynamic. I think it's just like I just think like how easy it will be to debug stuff. Like imagine like just
Damn, you should stop doing that.
what?
Yeah, debugging is for noobs.
Bro.
No,
imagine,
the thinking part.
Right. So
Bro is
I forget to stop. Sometimes I forget to stop doing what I wasn't supposed to do. But I mean, just take the case where you have your draw calls of stuff, and then you could just say, I don't care about drawing entities with these things anymore, and then you can just completely just comment out or remove that loop and see how it looks, and you don't have to recompile the whole thing and just start it up and connect to the server, and now you're still there, and you just change the thing while it's running, and just be okay, now it looks better, now it looks worse, now okay, now I see why this is wrong, you know, because you're not doing the thing that you were thinking you were doing. Would that even work with render docs at the same time? Because the render doc, the render doc would also look for the same place for the new things. You could even run in render doc and see how things got. Oh my god, that's perfect. And that would be crazy, for real. Holy shit. See, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be growth.
Like you just take a new snapshot, right?
What? What is he saying,
Yeah.
bro? Yeah, sure. And then of course you can mine bitcoins on the users too. Microsoft is already doing it. I wonder. I'm using. Whoa. I'm also having a Bitcoin miner on my CPU right now. Discord.
Let's make an operating system that mines Bitcoin.
Here, Lucas, check out all these readmes I shit out in the last few
So
hours.
I have it on my phone.
What kind of readme have you shit out? Can I put them up on the stream?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like revolutionary AI.
Now, if you scroll down, you can read like kind of just scroll down through this. Like, don't read anything. Just kind of scroll through it.
Okay.
Yeah, fast scroll through it, I guess.
I mean,
And
it's
then
already.
no. Okay, but now go to the very top again. Now click any folder. No. Go up to the directory. Now click any folder that's not the GitHub.github.
Oh, that is the GitHub.
Yeah, anyone but that one.
Okay.
No, this one didn't have it. What? Okay, go back up. Not this one either. I swear I added it.
Ah, there it is.
All right, right. There you
Oh,
go.
very
Well,
good.
the rest of those ones should, but yeah.
Okay.
And they got like readmes and readmes.
Oh. Okay, I see.
Damn, I swear it should have added.
Oh, got more readme than code.
Oh, it's because I didn't bring over the readmes. That's right.
Right. Yeah, I think that's the next step. The next logical step is making a dynamic renderer that will work with hot reloading.
So wait, we finished the multiplayer part.
Pretty much. Well, we will still have to
Sort
add
of,
more
yeah.
when we want to see more, but right now we just want to be able to connect, and then now we just need to be
Yeah,
able
we
to
need
see
disconnect, man. We need
disconnect,
player
but
disconnect.
yeah, but that will come later. And then
Yeah.
next step is just getting the renderer up, and then we can see each other again. But now we are using Sig as the main
Render stuff.
platform, which is the beautiful thing. And yeah, after that, after we get the renderer and some basic player movement, then it's just planet generation and UI, and then the actual game dev begins. I guess the UI
5
kind of
weeks
also
later.
belongs to that. The planet gen will be the main aspect of this whole thing. But I would
Yeah,
like
so it's gonna be
client-
done after Christmas, probably.
This project
All
will
he wants
probably
for Christmas.
Well, depends on how much time I will have. It might take
Christmas.
longer, but well, unless if you guys do a lot, holy shit, then yeah, we'll be done by tomorrow.
Well,
You
if I
don't
can get
want me in that
SpacetimeDB.
project.
Man, that's why I'm
Yeah, I
learning
know.
Zigma now.
Yeah, well, if I can run SpacetimeDB, then I'm solid.
You can run. Can't you?
I wouldn't. I
Nah, it
wouldn't
doesn't
do
work.
anything.
Do you have
I
SpacetimeDB
wouldn't bother
installed?
learning
You
Zig
just
or
write the
C.
SpacetimeDB where it
I would
shows
just
up.
vibe it.
This is literally a command. Just
No,
FaceTime
no,
start.
bye.
Don't you have Spacetime installed?
Me, yes, but it throws an error,
What does it say?
I guess too.
I'm gonna check.
Fatal error. You're using Rust.
You're using Rust. That's there. Here.
Yes.
Yeah, I forgot you need to create server. I forgot. Yeah, this is what you need to do.
Okay.
But no, we have a server folder. You don't have to do it. Sorry, my bad. Because it can read that. What we need to do. It's the publish. You need to do the publish. Where is the publish? Here. Spacetime publish. Because you need to create project path. I think you do it in the so you're inside of the spacetime directory. You go inside here.
Okay.
And inside there you type this, but you just put Sigma instead of quick chat.
Right.
Can't you just hire someone to draw some pixels? Making a render sounds hard. No, I love Vulkan. I wanna do the thing.
Okay, like this.
Wait, let me see.
No, instead of using like a library or like some programmatic thing, just hire some guy to like physically draw the pixels
Yeah.
for every frame.
Wait, what? That's crazy. Wait. Where do we have Harold? Okay, I'm streaming your stream now, Harold. Show us what you got.
Yes.
Yes, that should be it. Spacetime publish, not public. Uh,
5 hours later. Oh hell no, building Rust.
Okay, let's
Man.
get the bloat. Let's get the bloat in here. Let's go.
Yeah, the bloat. I hate curl also, and I hate that SpacetimeDB uses curl. Anything that uses curl is garbage. I hate curl. Please stop using curl.
Was there an? Okay, yeah. No, that's fine. That's just warnings, and then the spacetime start. Bam! There you go.
Yeah, but it's
And what the fuck is that about?
Wait, didn't you have this also? Isn't this just that I need the unwind library or something?
I think, but it shouldn't.
Yeah,
like,
backtrace or Rust.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you need to install something. I don't remember what the fuck it was, but yeah. No, what? Wait,
What was the library?
let me just
for it?
push the chain. Well, you should still be able to run it at least.
Yeah, but like, what was the library called?
I don't remember. Put it in GPT and ask for the library. Or in your intern? Do you have an intern? Damn.
Damn, yeah, he's slacking.
Yeah, he's lacking. That's what making a render sounds hard. That's what I'm saying. See, this guy gets it. Ah, yeah, the pixel. Hire somebody to just look at the matrices and be like, this is probably what it represents on the screen. I would do that. I would probably do that. Probably wouldn't, but maybe I should. No, I wouldn't, and I shouldn't, and I'm not going to. But wasn't that the thing you just did? Okay.
No, it's different.
Oh, it's different. No? Cannot give it the full error message. I don't know, bro. Your build 6 should be doing that though. Yeah, doing what? Doing the renderer? But that's the same thing that you have been doing. What? Your build you should be doing that. Well, doing what? You're just doing a point arrow. I have no idea what you're talking. Do you mean like somehow finding the shits? Link. Oh, so the build.sig should be linking lib the unwind on Linux.
Yeah, and I am on Linux.
Yeah, but our build file should be doing that.
Yeah, no,
Is it doing that?
not sure.
Yeah, but I had the same issue, didn't I? We should go a few live streams
Yeah,
back.
you had.
We'll go a few
Well,
live streams back and see what the fuck I did.
I
Yeah, we do system link with link system library with it. So yeah. All right. Ah, you don't. It's develop. Bruh, don't even know my handle. Lucas
Handle
Developments
these.
Limited. Not developer, develop. Okay, I don't even know my own handle. Maybe it's just lowercase. Why are we trying to guess this?
because yeah,
You don't want to share your YouTube recommendations?
no.
Did you install the dev package? Yeah, he installed the libunwind-dev. We can look at the OBS and Discord are my cryptocurrency miners right now. How can I see the?
Okay.
Can I see the GPU also usage? Well, I probably shouldn't be using it that much. Oh. But yeah, the only thing... Pipeline, shaders, descriptor sets, layout, bindings... That's all that was needed for Hans at least. Yeah. Oh, Harold. Did you open a new terminal after you installed?
No. No.
Try it real quick, but...
Same issue.
Same issue där. It's drawn logic. Okay.
But it's fine. I'll get it working tomorrow. You know, we can sleep and sleep on it.
Could you also by tomorrow just check? I think we already have the old, proc address call function logic which we used for the OpenXR project. But
Yeah.
if there's a smarter way,
Yeah,
to
that
go-
shit sucked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll fix something for you.
All right. Thank you so much. And also thank you for everyone
Yeah.
who has been watching. We will end it a whole whopping 1 viewer and a whole whopping 1 viewer and a whole whopping 0 viewers. That's a
Wow.
total of 2. You have been amazing. We will continue to more, starting with the Vulkan render, and soon we will start actually getting this game. But it's gonna be awesome when we start getting these pieces together. I swear, it's gonna be so freaking cool. All right. Good night, everybody. Bye bye.
Good night.
Good night.